These dogs gave me a place to stay for free. Accommodation is the second most expensive when traveling. If you spend too much on it, you have less money to travel. This leads to shorter trips. But nobody likes shorter trips. Luckily, I found the secret to save big on accommodation. Here's how. These cute dogs' master went away on vacation. Unfortunately, the dogs were not able to travel. Bummer, huge bummer. There was no one to give them food and bring them for a walk. And that's where I came in. Well, together with my wife. We offered to feed them and walk them. In return, they hosted us in their huge house with free internet, water and electricity. We could even drive their owner's car. This, my friends, is called pet sitting. Basically, it's babysitting, but with a pet. We did this for 2 weeks in Europe and we were able to save $1,000. We then used this saved money to travel for another 3 weeks. That's how you can lengthen your trips and potentially, the big dream, travel full-time. To get more travel hacks like this, go to kelvinbtravels.com and say hello to longer trips.